Good morning. Look at this. My hair is so frizzy here. I don't get it. I don't know why. That's why I finally put it up, because I was wearing it down and it was like just so frizzy. Like, it was driving me nuts. Anyways, I am currently making our last cup of my awesome tea that I invented. So I'm getting our glasses ready. This is my little outfit for today. It's just maroon pants and a floral top. I think we're gonna try to find some of those mushrooms, and then first we're gonna go get breakfast at the Pig and Grits. I know people are probably like, how much did these people pay you to continuously mention them over and over and over again? Listen. They didn't pay me anything. It's just fucking delicious. So we're gonna go get breakfast at the Pig and Grits, and then we're gonna try to go find some of those mushrooms, and then we're gonna go up this mountain that Chris wants to go up, and then we're gonna go back down the other side of the mountain into Asheville. We're gonna go back down the mountain into Asheville, so we'll be able to overlook Asheville as we like come into like the main city or main town or whatever you want to call it.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
We're all packed up, and I'm very confused as to why we had to pay a cleaning fee for this place, because literally there's like a whole list. Do you see these lists here? There's 2 there, 1 there, and 1 on the side of the refrigerator. We have to take the garbage out. We have to clean the dishes. We have to do the laundry before we go. We have to wipe everything down. And like, why did we pay for a cleaning service if we're the ones having to clean? Like, we're on vacation. We got a rental and paid for a cleaning service so that we didn't have to worry about cleaning up, but yet we're responsible for cleaning everything, or they said that they'll give us a fine. Like, look at this on the door. Obviously, we don't have cigarette butts, but look, a garbage fee? Like, if there's any little anything, this guy's gonna charge us. I just think it's a bit much. I mean, we always kind of like clean up after ourselves, but to say like you have to do the laundry and put it in the washer and dryer, and don't leave the dryer on, it needs to be dry before you leave, and this and that, like, we have to get out of here. We have the next place to go, and we have a whole day of adventures planned before we get to our next location. Like, we're not trying to spend an hour or 2 hours doing laundry because we use towels and for the hot tub and for the shower, and like now we have to wait for them to wash and dry, and like, I don't know, it just seems a bit ridiculous to me, but I guess it is what it is, right? So whatever. And also, look, my lips are so dry. Look, can you see? Do you see? It's like actually cracked. It's so dry here. I look like a lizard lady. Can you see the scales? I look like I've got scales.
It's all this heat, that wood burning stove. Like, you know how dry it gets if all that water evaporated, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And the dry heat in here.
Poor little
the cold, then the dry.
This bubbled over.
Oh well.
Oh shit, and as I'm pouring it, it's pouring all over.
Ain't nothing a paper towel can't fix.
True. Here you go, my love.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome. We have everything. I like that my purse kind of like matches my Mimi's bag.
Yeah.
I really love this bag. It has my Mimi's information. That's her handwriting. That's my grandparents' address and their phone number. And yeah, this was my grandmother's. And she died on my 18th birthday. I gotta get my phone. Why don't we have 3 on?
Your tail fell off many years ago.
Yes, a tail would be good. I could like wrap it around my drink and hold it. Like, oh, that would be so perfect.
That would be pretty cool.
If I actually had my shoes on my feet instead of in my hands, I probably wouldn't have this problem. But you know, I want the tea because this is dirty and I don't want this to get on my.
Look, I can carry one.
Yeah, I got it.
That's the most dangerous.
Hey, I was just gonna balance it to the car.
So you spilled it all over yourself, and then we had to go in and clean your clothes, clean this breakfast.
I can't turn my. Oh, fuck. Oh no, because you got the camera. I got it. Protected. Gracias, senor.